to that point, what needs to happen to give long haulers more hope?
Couple of things. First of all, the NIH needs to spend, they have $1.5 billion that's been given to them by the government. They're spending it right now on a data study versus clinical trials and trials in therapeutics. We need to give long haulers hope that there's actual research out there into therapeutics to relieve their suffering, relieve their pain, give them the ability to sleep. That is crucial. We need a national suicide hotline for people with long COVID, or the suicide hotline banks. They need to be trained in talking to people with long COVID. These are not people who are depressed. These are people who are in physical agony. We need that stat. By the way, when people are testing positive at home and their home tests, they need to alert their doctors or the CDC to get registered as having had COVID, because guess what? The insurance companies are not going to cover it if they didn't get the positive test that was actually recorded. We need to really know how many people have tested positive in this country so we can get real data on how many people are getting long COVID. Yeah. I mean, more than that, I would just say out there to people who have long COVID and are suffering right now, best thing you can do, go to survivorcorps.com and sign up. It is the largest online advocacy group in the country. All the breaking news comes out of it. We are constantly talking with the top researchers in the country, publishing papers. We just did one with Yale University on the tremors and internal vibrations that led to my wife's death. We were able to identify other people on the Facebook group of Survivor Corps that had the same tremors. People were suffering in silence. They all thought they were crazy. And this country needs to wake up and start actually spending money on long COVID research and support for the families. And I was screaming about this 6 months ago before Omicron showed up and before it became so contagious. And here it is, and we've got a few months to change course.
Yes, we do. Well, Nick, we know that you sharing your story will definitely help people.